If you've ever ordered something online, you know the feeling. Waiting, refreshing your email, checking the tracking number every hour, and still having no idea where your package really is. Well, today I'll show you how to track any package worldwide for free, no matter which courier it uses. Whether it's coming from the U.S., China, Europe, or anywhere else, these tools will help you know exactly where your package is in real time. Let's get started. Tool number 1, 17 Track. One of the most powerful shipment tracking platforms is 17 Track. It supports more than 1,500 carriers, including DHL, UPS, FedEx, USPS, Royal Mail, China Post, J&T, Shopee Express, and more. All you need to do is paste your tracking number into the search box. The website will automatically detect the courier, show the latest updates, and even display your package's route across different countries. It's perfect for international shipments and online shopping from sites like AliExpress, eBay, or Temu. Tool number 2, Parcels app. Parcels app is another excellent tool for tracking global shipments, especially when your package passes through multiple logistics partners. Sometimes the tracking number changes during transit, and Parcels app can detect that. It lets you track multiple numbers at once, view detailed movement history, get notifications when your package enters your country, see which carrier currently holds your package. It's clean, easy to use, and extremely accurate. Tool number 3, Aftership tracking. Aftership is a favorite among e-commerce sellers because of its reliability and fast updates. But the good news is, you can use it for free as a regular shopper too. Just paste your tracking number, and Aftership will instantly show estimated delivery date, latest checkpoint, package status, in transit, out for delivery, delivered, delayed, carrier details, and contact information. It's great for long-distance packages and high-value items where you need precise updates. Why these tools are better than courier websites. Courier tracking pages often only show partial updates, but these global tracking platforms combine data from origin country plus transit carriers plus destination country, giving you the full journey in one place. So even if your local courier says, no information, these tools usually show the exact location. Final tips. Whenever you order online, from Amazon, AliExpress, Temu, or anywhere else, save your tracking number and check it using one of these free tools. You'll know where your package is, when it will arrive, and whether it's stuck in customs or already at your local post office. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.